people will try to define people according to their own agenda. People try to create a story against other people because they want to be a leader. And what they are saying, didn't even practice them. I have seen so many people of this kind in my entire life. I have seen so many people like this. Year 2010, somebody said, "Oh, you are a sinner. You have to cry. You have to wail. Are you not ashamed of the Lord?" And to tell you the truth, that person doesn't even know how the higher realms look like. The same thing with these people now. They're trying to create a story against my life when they don't even know how I live. I'm not trying to defend myself, but to be honest, I live a better life than these people. I live way better life. I'm not nasty. I'm not nasty. That's all I can say. I'm not nasty. They're trying to be valuable to the society. You don't need to do that. You don't need to present yourself as someone valuable. The society will see it. Only the blind society will worship you as a leader when you're not practicing what you're saying. But the society that has opened their eyes to the truth, they will despise you. And that's what I'm doing, because my eyes are open. I despise people who can't practice what they're doing, what they are saying.